Hello everyone, this is my Module 10 review over the interactive technology that we can use. With my experiences, I've had experiences with obviously a smart board. That's pretty, I would think that would be pretty basic for everyone going through high school to have a smart board in their classroom. I've also used clickers, the clickers for quizzes and stuff. I've always liked them. I thought they've always worked. But in the reading, some of the information that was in there, I found kind of weird. I haven't really seen or I've never seen an interactive pad for a smartboard before. I've never used one. I don't really ever remember seeing one in high school. I haven't seen one in college. Uh, they're just new to me. Um, the whiteboard and remote I picked were actually way under the $1,000 budget that we had, and that's partially because I took the liberty as a physical education major to kind of cheat the rules. Um, what I picked was the GoTouch 3.0, which is only around $250, and the Lstruction CPS Classroom Performance System clickers that are around $75. And I picked these because the GoTouch is a small device that can be hooked up to your phone, and it gives you get a small projector and a pen that you can interact anywhere. So you can take the GoTouch anywhere you need it to, and you can draw on any surface because the pen is hooked up through the projector. So for a physical education major, this projector helps me a lot because obviously we don't have a classroom setting all the time. And if we need to do some type of classroom work, obviously we can just take the classroom wherever we need it. And this would work really well for a physical education, coaches that would need this. And I would choose that for me. After the readings, I thought more about the clickers. Uh, the one thing I didn't like seeing about the clickers is the score of the tests for the non-clickers were higher, but the jump of students that got a better grade was lower than on the clickers through the pre-test and post-test. The kids were getting lower scores on their test, but they were improving more. So as an educator, I look at that and I really ask the question like, uh, are we willing to sacrifice higher grades for more participation, or are we gonna not backtrack, but keep the same to where kids get higher grades, but there's less improvement in our classes? I would think, um, obviously, no, but as an educator, I really think the clickers do um, produce more participation. So I think that's what we should focus on more, because if more kids are learning the information, then yeah, maybe our tests go down a little bit, but kids are still learning more about the information because they're more active in our in our lesson plans and stuff. And I think that is it. Thank you.